What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Timon, and today we're gonna be reviewing a 10th gen Honda Accord. Alright guys, so I got the owner with me and he's gonna introduce us.
What's up guys, it's your boy Ragon. You already know what it is. You guys already noticed this is my 10th gen Honda Accord. Although it's the saddest moment because I couldn't afford a 6-speed manual transmission. But it is what it is.
It is what it is. Alright, so tell me what you done to the car.
Alright, sadly this is a 1.5 trim, so there's not a lot of things I could do to this car. But I did buy some stuff that might make the car just a little bit better than most Accords out there. Obviously, you guys can see aesthetically, I bought a lip for the car. Not the most perfect things out there in the world, but again, it is what it is. On the back side, however, I did buy these rear skirts over here. And whatever the hell this is, this ugly diffuser here. I know the car is very dirty, but you know, it's we live in Massachusetts. It snows, we get every weather here. It's really bad. And of course, you know, you guys see it from the roller here. I got hit here, but
oof.
It is what it is.
Big oof.
A big oof. Big oof.
So what power mods have you got done to the car?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Let me show you. Well, shit, I'll be down.
Damn.
So, if you already guys can tell already, we did get the PRO tube. I didn't get this part here. So after that too, we also did the PRO catless downpipe. You guys can't see it, but you know, that's actually all I could do at the very moment.
Do you have any tune or anything?
Oh, that's right. Yes, I'm glad you asked. I also have a KTUNED on here too, tuned by your boy Gavin, or Gavion.
Oh.
And the one thing that sets apart my car from everybody else's car is I cut everything from the bottom and 3-inch pipe, single exit, stainless steel, because we couldn't afford titanium and it doesn't exist over here yet.
So why did you 3-inch straight pipe your car?
Because people kept making fun of me because my car is too quiet whenever I go to car shows. So, and I'm wondering, what if I sound like a tuba or a 3 a.m. Civic? Well, that's where a special treat comes in for you guys. Are y'all ready for this?
How do you love the sound?
I actually hated the sound at first because I thought it was way too loud, and then the sound just grew on to me. And believe it or not, this car actually has I call it quote-unquote Prius mode.
Alright guys, so now that I'm in a car, I'm gonna be taking a test drive on it. I've never actually ridden or drove in a 10th gen Honda Accord before that's tuned with a 3-inch exhaust. So let's get to it.
Sorry.
Oh, you got automatic. Oh,
yeah,
fancy.
Yep. Sorry, I'm a little short, you know.
Nah, you good, you good.
So if you notice, the cabin is a little bit loud because of the exhaust. At high end, it actually sounds a lot louder. Most people would say it sounds like a Z1 car, and I can't vouch for it because I don't know what a Z1 car sounds like because I haven't been inside one or seen one that doesn't actually ever speed. But so far, I've actually loved this car for what it's worth. I used to also actually own a 2018 Honda Civic as well. And as you questioned before, why did I get rid of it? Well, I wanted an Accord. I don't want a Civic anymore. You must gotta be different people here.
That sounds reasonable. The Accord is a much bigger car anyway, so there's more room.
It's very perfect, especially because I have way too many people in my car anyways.
Yeah, well that's a good thing. Yeah.
So a few things that I actually hate about the Honda Accord is, one, they got rid of the V6, really dumb on their end. They got rid of the coupe model, again, also really dumb on their end. And the one thing that they decided to do the next year is to get rid of the 6-speed manual. And it's like, Honda, what are you doing? I get you're turboing all your cars, but it's not worth it if you're gonna have no manual transmission.
Yeah, that is true, yeah.
But from your perspective, how do you feel about the driving ratio compared to your car?
It's much smoother. It's honestly, I love the inside. Everything's so spacious compared to mine. Granted, I do have a rear motor mount, so that might make the in-cabin noise and vibrations way louder than what it needs to be, but so far your car is not as loud as mine on the inside, which I personally like and enjoy. Oh, it even gives you the speed limit right there.
Yes,
30. What?
Fancy, bro, fancy.
Sheesh.
Now, like I said, this mode also has the Prius mode, so what you hear right now is like the normal speed of how it usually is, right? So if you actually click on economy mode, it actually makes it just a little bit more quieter.
Really?
Yep. Just a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit, yeah. Does your car crackles and pop?
Well, I'm so glad you asked. Well, actually, it can actually pop in either mode, depending where you are and how fast you're going. But if you even just, because you notice I have a
Paddle shifters?
Yeah, so if you go down just by one, you can actually let go of the gas, you can hear it pop. So gas it a little bit.
Ooh, sounds way better than mine. Alright, so
Automatic problems. Now, if you want it to keep continuously popping, put it in the sport mode and you'll hear all just that.
how do I put it in sport mode?
I'll do that for you, my good sir.
Alright.
So now you notice it got a lot louder now. So on high end, in sport mode, it actually sounds even more aggressive. I think most people are actually triggered by it or like scared of it.
Alright, so I'm probably gonna gas it a little bit here.
Yeah, also a note too, because the whole Honda sensing, if you're going over 40, your car actually like it brings you back to the beginning. Like it wants to bring you back into the lane.
Jesus!
Yeah, it's insane in first and second gear when you're gassing it. So you get, and that's just with the windows up. If you let the windows down. This is that tuba sound you guys are wondering about.
Oh my god. Your car is so loud.
So you're gonna upshift it too, you know? It's not gonna upshift you automatically. Otherwise, it's gonna sound like a tuba high no matter where you go.
Yep. Straight pipe 350Z, let's get it.
Yep, society hoop.
Oh my god, I think
I'm okay, don't hate me.
the car is all crazy.
Now, if you guys want to hear some amazing amount of pops, stay in first gear. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go to like 3,000 to 4,000 RPM and just let it hang there. Don't let go of the gas. Now go to second gear. Gas again.
Oh.
Just tap it, just tap it.
Oh, like that?
Yeah, just tap it once. Just tapping it once automatically just go pop, 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 pop.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Alright.
And once it stops, you can just keep pressing it like that, so that you can just keep hitting continuous pop if you like
Yeah,
to.
my car does that. I have to tap on it here and there to get it. How do you get it? Can it continuously pop?
Yeah, so if you actually downshift without having the gas, it'll actually do it for you. And just gas it, just tap it. Now sit down again, sit down.
Oh my god. Alright, that's enough. Alright.
No more sport mode now.
Alright.
So if you notice, when you go off of sport mode, it'll start the loud ass drone that, you know, I hate a lot. But, you know, Timmy's not used to driving this car, especially with the paddle shifter, it's all new to him.
Yep.
So, you know, on your opinion, how do you feel about this car? Like out of 10, how do you feel about it?
Out of 10?
Yeah.
I'll probably give it a 8 out of 10.
8 out of
8
10?
out of 10.
I like that.
It's a pretty fun, good daily car to drive, honestly. I mean, you get good gas mileage. The car is really spacious, so you could fit a lot of people and groceries. Nah, I mean, it's a grocery
best
getter.
grocery getter you can ever possibly ask
Yep.
for. Speed-wise, though, compared to yours, how do you feel about it?
So speed-wise, since I don't know much about CVTs and how the power band is, I feel like my car pulls harder, but maybe that's because it's an SI, but and also a manual transmission, but I can't really tell. All right guys, so in a couple of minutes I'm gonna let the owner drive his car and go outside and get some sound clips and drive by and see how this exhaust sounds in person. All right guys, so now that we've reached a spot, I'm gonna get out the car and let's hear it. Alright guys, so I'm back in the car and the owner, Ragon, basically told me how to make the cracks and pops go, and he never heard it outside in person. So I guess we're gonna be a test dummy for him. How do you do it?
What do you mean?
I just did it. I went up to 3,000 and it didn't do anything. Oh, so I have to use a paddle.
Yeah,
Alright.
paddle shifting.
Oh, okay. Alright, let me do it again. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, this is so obnoxious. That was legitness. Alright guys, so like I said, my honest opinions and review of this car, I give it an 8 out of 10. This car, a good daily driver, grocery getter, good gas mileage, spacious. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, this is the first time of me ever doing anything like this, and honestly, it's a good change. I honestly enjoyed reviewing his car. And to be honest, he's not a stranger, he's actually my cousin, so that's pretty funny. You'll probably see him in the comment section here and there, but yeah, look at him. Look at him. Taking shots. Sunset shots. We ain't got that Cali sunset, but we got that Mass sunset. That East Coast sunset. Alright guys, but yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and let me know what you guys want to see. Yeet! Alright, so again, thank you for letting me review your car, fam.
I'm glad I can help out, fam.
Thanks.
Someone's gotta review the car. Shoot.